like, and share. Stomp your feet, the dinos are here to play. Stay with us till the end. It's a roaring, dancing day. In a jungle long ago, where big green ferns and rivers flow, dinos gather one by one, ready to dance and have some fun. T-Rex stomps with mighty might, shaking the ground with all his height. Tiny arms wave in the air, he twirls around without a care. Triceratops joins with a cheer, clapping her horns. The music's near! Step by step she moves in line, making every stomp so fine. Stegosaurus wags his spiky tail, dancing fast without fail. Twist and turn, spin around, dinosaurs dancing on the ground. Brachiosaurus lifts so high, stretching necks toward the sky. Tiptoe slowly, then a jump, hear the jungle thump, 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 thump. Velociraptors zoom and spin, sliding smoothly with a grin. Quick little feet go tap, 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 joining every dino clap. Pterodactyls swoop from above, spreading wings they glide with love. Looping circles in the air, showing moves that none compare. All the dinos stomp and sway, laughing loud through jungle day. Parents watch, children cheer, Dino Dance Party is finally here. Spin, jump, wiggle, clap your hands, follow the dinos across the lands. Move your body, stomp and roar, dance like dinos. Explore, explore. As the sun begins to hide, dinos yawn and stretch with pride. One last stomp, one final twirl. Good night, jungle, dreams unfurl. Did you stomp, clap, and roar today? Caught it, like, subscribe, and share right away. For more dino songs and jungle fun, follow our channel, adventures just begun. Don't skip. Quack, quack, waddle along. The ducklings are on their way. Stay with us till the end. Fun and giggles every day. 5 little ducklings went out to play, splashing and laughing in the sun's warm ray. One by one they paddled through the stream, swimming together like a happy dream. Mama duck called, quack, 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 come back home, don't wander off the track. But the ducklings giggled, they didn't mind, little feet paddling, leaving splashes behind. 4 little ducklings dived down low, peeking at the fish that swam below. Bubbles rose and the water shimmered bright, making every little duckling's heart light. 3 little ducklings chased a frog, leaping along the green soft bog. Ribbit, ribbit, went the frog so small, ducklings laughed and splashed through it all. 2 little ducklings found a feathered friend, a tiny turtle who loves to bend. They all rolled and tumbled in the shallow bay, splashing together through the day. One little duckling saw a rainbow near, and quacked with joy for everyone to hear. Colors danced on the gentle pond, making every duckling wave and respond. Mama duck watched with loving eyes as ducklings played under sunny skies. Quack, 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 she gently called, each little duckling proudly answered all. When the day began to softly end, ducklings paddled back around the bend. Hugging Mama, cozy and warm, safe from rain and any storm. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, quack along to the happy beat. Wave goodbye, but not for long, the duckling song stays in your song. Did you quack, clap, and splash today? Or like, subscribe, channel. Fun comes every day. Stomp, stomp, hear the jungle beat today. Cute dancing animals are just a play away. Deep in the jungle, bright and green, the happiest party you've ever seen. Leaves are swaying, drums go boom, music echoes through the room. Leo the lion shakes his mane, roaring loud on the jungle plain. Step to the left, step to the right, he dances with all his might. Molly the monkey swings up high, flipping fast through the sunny sky. Clap, clap, clap go her small hands, she's the best dancer in the land. Ellie the elephant stomps the ground, boom, boom, boom goes her happy sound. She wiggles her trunk and flaps her ears, spreading giggles, joy and cheers. Zara the zebra starts to spin, striped and speedy with a grin. Tip-tap hoof on the jungle floor, round and round then spins once more. Polly the parrot flutters near, singing songs so bright and clear. Dance, dear friends, she sweetly calls, as confetti leaves begin to fall. The jungle friends all form a ring, moving fast and sway and swing. Jump up high then touch the ground, follow the rhythm, feel the sound. Morning sunshine golden and warm, still they dance in happy form, laughing loud and playing free. In the wildest jungle jubilee, now it's your turn, join the show. Stomp your feet and go, go, go. Clap your hands and spin around, be the best dancer in the town. Love this jungle dance so bright, call it, like, subscribe and share tonight. For more fun poems kids adore, follow us now for so much more.